Good morning, everybody, and thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric, with a severe weather update. It's going to be one of those days that we're not expected to have, but it is going to be quite active today. So let's get right to this active stuff. Most of Michigan is under a wind advisory from 8 a.m. until 8 p.m. tonight. And this is what we can expect with this. I will keep you posted on the situation. And this is for today. Winds from the south or southwest, gusting to 45 to 50 miles per hour, and with that, a few areas can also gusts could be as high as 60 miles an hour. There'll be a few falling trees or limbs could fall down. Scattered power outages are a possibility, and on the map that you can see, in the darker shaded red, the most likely area is going to be a really huge concern, so I will keep you posted on that. And then over in southeast Michigan, they're also under a wind advisory as well, and they're likely to have problems of their own as well. So there's going to be a lot to talk about here. So I will keep you posted on this wind advisory. So this is from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So we got a long ways to go. It's going to be most of the day today. So please keep it here, and I will keep you posted on the severe weather update. Also, I wanted to remind you, make sure that you have your phones charged up in the event that there is no power. So this would probably be a good time to charge up those phones, have them handy in case of an emergency, in case you got to get a hold of somebody. If you did receive the alert regarding this wind advisory, that's actually good to know. So just stay tuned, and I'll have the very latest. And when I come back, I'm going to have more updates on active weather that will be headed our way. So I'll talk about that in the forecast, so stay tuned. We'll be back shortly with that. And I'll let you know about the rest of the active weather headed our way. That's being monitored very closely.